A major fire is broken out at the Midland State University campus in Zvishavane, destroying the Diamond Hostel and causing significant losses to student property. The incident, which occurred late on Saturday night, has left the university community reeling with students and authorities assess the damages. Sanapita mashoko ari kuda pana paigona kukomana muzimu ai amunokona kunzi aiwa fire destroys MSU hostel in Zvishavane as Mnangagwa arrives. We will subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Timina pana paonyera vachiti. The fire, which engulfed the building, was captured in images shared widely on social media, showing flames rising from the structure. The exact cause of blaze has not yet been determined, and no official statement has been released by the university as of now. However, local student leaders have confirmed that the fire has caused the loss of several personal items belonging to students. The incident happened on the same night that President Mnangagwa flew into the Zvishavane area for meetings in preparation for his trip to Bulawayo, adding an extra layer of intrigue to the already tense situation. Tomashkanobuda pana pavana achiti aiwa chitiko chirikuonekwa kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika anogota achipinda muZvishavane kuti tinongototi aiwa istudent hostel ropa ratanga todii kutobvira panoonekwa kuti aiwa kubvira kuri kuita mabuildings aiwa kuri very critical munyika yeZimbabwe. This critical situation iri munyika yeZimbabwe tiona aiwa the ruling party ikasangana necongress yavanhu yavari kunyasa kuona kuti aiwa congress kuchange kuchivezanwa mazino kuchange kusina kanombomira mushe. Chitiko ichi chiri kubva chaedha fire pamusoro pemamwe marasha agara ari kupisa. Bvutidza mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Aiwa pina comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the